I'm happy to announce that India has been asked to chair 3 important committees of the Security Council.
India announced that it would be chairing 3 important committees of the United Nations Security Council during 2021 to 2022. T.S. Tirumurti, India's envoy to the UN, said that the country had been asked to chair 3 important subsidiary bodies of the Security Council. The committees include Taliban Sanctions Committee or the 1988 Sanctions Committee, the Counter-Terrorism Committee and the Libya Sanctions Committee. India began its 8th term as a non-permanent member of the UNSC on January 4th, with the stated objective of raising its voice against terrorism, speaking for the developing world, and bringing solutions to matters of global peace and security.
The UN Security Council establishes subsidiary bodies on specific issues, including on the sanctions regimes. I'm happy to announce that India has been asked to chair 3 important committees of the Security Council, which include the Taliban Sanctions Committee, Counter-Terrorism Committee, and the Libyan Sanctions Committee. The Taliban Sanctions Committee, also called the 1988 Sanctions Committee, has always been a high priority for India, keeping in mind our strong interest and commitment to peace, security, development, and progress of Afghanistan. Our chairing this committee at this juncture will help keep the focus on the presence of terrorists and their sponsors threatening the peace process in Afghanistan. It has been our view that peace process and violence cannot go hand in hand. India will also chair the Counter-Terrorism Committee in 2022, which coincides with the 75th anniversary of India's independence. The chairing of this committee has a special resonance for India, which has not only been in the forefront of fighting terrorism, especially cross-border terrorism, but has also been one of its biggest victims. This committee was formed in September 2001, soon after the tragic terrorist attack of 9/11 in New York. India has chaired this committee when we were last in the Security Council in 2011-12. Libya Sanctions Committee, also called the 1970 Sanctions Committee, is a very important subsidiary body of the Council which implements the sanctions regime, including a 2-way arms embargo on Libya, an assets freeze, a travel ban, measures on illicit export of petroleum, etc. We will be assuming the chair of this committee at a critical juncture when there is international focus on Libya and on the peace process.
India won the 8th term in an election last June, securing 184 of the 192 votes cast. It was last on the council in a 2-year term ending 2012.